Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be making achara and Akpuruakpu Egusi soup. The Abia people here, Abia State people here will understand what this is all about. So I'm starting by peeling or cutting our achara. Achara, another name for achara is elephant grass, for those that do not understand. This soup is actually Umuahia people's soup. Whatever occasion, be it burial, wedding, traditional marriage, whatever thing they are doing, this is the main soup that will be served. Also, Ugba in Abia State, we own the soup. In fact, let me say Umuahia and Ugba people, as in this soup is our signature. So this is how you cut your achara. You just have to watch what I'm doing. You remove about 2 of the foldings, then you find out that the inner ones are softer. Then you have to cut, like when you cut up to like 2 to 3, you have to remove another. Then you unwrap. We I say you unfold or you unwrap the foldings again and cut till you get to the tip where the thing is very strong. So you have to, that's when you know you are done with that one. Just watch what I'm doing. So these are the ingredients I'll be using. We need egusi, we need Ukazi soup or afan leaf, stockfish, the achara that I just prepped. See guys, this soup, if you really want to make it, it require plenty things. So like roundabout, that is a cow intestine, snail, dry fish like mangal and all that. As in the soup they rich, but this is why you see I'm making like the low budget. My mother-in-law came and brought egusi, ground egusi and this achi, so the thing prompted me to like let me do this soup. My yellow pepper and 1 scotch bonnet, I will use it for the Ugba. This is my bouillon cube, onion, usu. So the usu is to help bind the egusi, that is the melon. We're going to be adding it to the melon for the as in when we are molding the egusi. We have our achi, that is thickener, then smoked fish and beef. To my pressure pot, I've added the beef. It's cooking now. I'll go ahead and prepare the Akpuruakpu Egusi itself, that is the molded melon. So watch and see how you can achieve this. So I first of all crush some, as in the scotch bonnet pepper and the little onion. I've added egusi, I've added the osu and little salt. So I'm gonna be mixing everything up. You just have to knead like the way you knead your flour or your dough, when you're making snacks or whatever. That's what we are about doing here. You can equally use a bowl with your hand to achieve this. So I just had to introduce little hot water to it. After mixing up everything, you see how it is now. Go ahead to mold to your desired shape, but I'll suggest you do it in tiny bits, just as I did mine. It will help you to cook faster. So I have the stockfish washed with hot water already in this pot. I'll allow it to boil like this now. So I'll add the molded melon and the achara, then cover everything to boil. Please subscribe if you are new here. Also give this video a thumbs up. I'm adding some red oil to it. You mustn't add the same quantity of oil I added much more oil because the people I'm cooking for, they love it. But if you are not okay with it, just a spoon is fine. So you have to cover it and allow to cook. So I want to show you guys something. Like I brought out one of this molded melon, sorry. When you open it, break it open, and you see that the inside is looking this way, is not properly cooked. You still have to allow it to continue. In fact, before you finish this cooking the soup, everything will have cooked properly. So now I'm checking what we have here. It's looking like our soup is getting ready. I've added the egusi, the remaining. Of course, you need little, but little egusi so that the color of the soup, like, it will be attractive. I'm now adding the beef I cooked earlier with my pressure pot. I also went in with our yellow pepper. I'm adding the smoked fish. So I just added the thickener, which is actually I dissolve it in water. So I'm adding our crawfish, going in with our salt and the bouillon cube. Just one because I've already added in the beef I made earlier. Wow, look at this soup now. Is there any Ugba man that is here, Ugba woman? Oh Maya, please, you must like this video. I'm representing you guys very well. So I just added the Ukazi, that is the afang leaf. So this is what seals it up like we have done. Even though this soup is the low budget type of it, I tell you, it's so delicious. It's so delicious, and it goes well with fufu. Yeah, any swallow that is very smooth. Gari is good, but then fufu is the best. Guys, check out now. Look at our achara soup and ngbam or Akpuruakpu Egusi. Some people call it ngbam, some people call it Akpuruakpu Egusi. Please drop your comment for me and subscribe if you're new here. I love you. I love you all. Bye.